Hi there, and good to see you again, this time with a special about flying first class on Air France between Sao Paulo, Brazil and Paris in France. Comparing Air France to, for example, British Airways, Lufthansa and Swiss, they don't offer many sales on their regular fares. So most people pay the full price for the tickets. Even when you book your ticket on miles, it's expensive. For a one-way between both cities, you pay for first class 300k miles. It's insane, and you can ask yourself, is there any loyalty from Air France KLM to you? Business class prices are reasonable for 90k one-way on points between both cities. When you arrive at the airport in Sao Paulo, you go to the American Express Lounge to wait in a special area for first-class passengers. They offer you a possibility to take a shower or to eat or drink something, but keep in mind that the food quality wasn't that good in the lounge. And when your flight is ready, someone from the ground staff will pick you up and brings you directly to your Air France flight.
Au nom de toute la compagnie Air France, nous vous souhaitons un excellent vol. Thank you.
High on life in the night, no anxiety. When
So far, Air France First Class. I hope you liked it, and when you like it, just give a thumbs up. Thank you so much. And if you don't want to miss any other episodes, just subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's totally free and it enriches your view on the whole world. Tot ziens. Ciao. Hasta luego.